actually, it would stick out paper towels about that far, so it was a little bit short.
Okay.
Oh, I'll make her another one. Because she wanted it spiraled on the top, and well, spiral it didn't really show.
Okay.
And what I'm doing now is on the back side, it's going to go up on the wall. This will eventually be a leaf.
Okay.
And then this is the stem. You know, twist the stem around some way or other.
All right.
And that'll go up on the wall and it mounts square. And then it'll come up, you know, bring this down.
Oh, I'm all set. Thanks,
But what I've been working on mostly, and I'm not doing it anymore, is the mason jar handles.
Oh, that's nice.
So fun.
If you want to order some, they're about 6 months ahead.
That's,
Behind, I mean.
wow, where'd you get the green ones?
Wally World.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
Walmart has everything.
$10 for 6 of them?
Yeah. I went up last night, they still had some, so.
Huh.
Because they come out with, it's got the date on it, it's, which I didn't even know.
So they just, you just make the
had-
handles and they just attach to the regular jars?
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, it takes a while to make them, but they come off.
Ah,
You
cool.
can snap it back on.
Love it.
Yep.
Oh, I love the green.
Well,
Put that
that's
on a
the most
green
I love.
one.
This was the first one I made
Yeah.
a couple weeks ago, and then I had it sitting here, and then,
Everybody fell in love with it.
you make-
Yeah.
not here. Saturday.
So that let you know I come down even with your hands.
Yeah, I know, way outside, so you don't even have to come in and say hi.
No, no, really, I can do it through the window.
Yeah, I know, right.
Wow.
I don't know why.
Soaking it right
I don't know
up.
what paper towel over here so I can show you, but. Come back and you're gonna be here all day.
Yes.
Back later on, hopefully I'll have it done.
Cool. Turning
And
that,
the
get
leaf
some more
will
air
be
in
brass
there.
colored.
Stoke the
Bring it
fire.
out so it'll be brass and
That's how you're stoking it.
you know, if I get
Right
it,
there.
you get it done right. Sometimes I mess up. Quite often, really.
Yeah.
Why I'm cool at that, because I don't want to hit it when that, what it started out to be was a square end like that. And then you have to bring it down to a little bit of point, and then you call what they call half blows. On this one I have to do it here because it's sharp. You put half blows into it, and it'll actually make like a little spearhead on it. Right here.
Cool. All right.
Spearhead.
Stay tuned.
So
We'll
that
bring you
can
some
make
more.
the leaf.
Bye-bye.
You hit on the top.